uploaded a new video because I was feeling kind of down and tired. Getting really cold here in Japan. Currently 6 degrees, so as you can see I'm on my full winter kit. But today I decided to go for a short ride. And of course a cafe stop. So do stay tuned to find out where I'm going for my cafe stop today. So we decided to go straight to Kawagoe, and we kind of got lost and ended up at Kita-in temple. So I passed by here before, but I never actually went in. Yeah, hi. So we're at Benedict Cafe. We supposedly meet for breakfast, but it's already lunch because we got some delays. So I'm having garlic shrimp egg benedict. Paul and Ricky's having burgers, and we got colorful drinks today except for mine. So I'm getting my usual macadamia coffee. So yeah, after this we're gonna head back to my place to do some maintenances. So we need to have a good breakfast to have the energy. So catch you later. Yeah, so we're back at my place. Ricky and Paul is there. So this is bike, and we're gonna do some upgrades on it. We're gonna discount on I think 26mm wheels. We're gonna upgrade this to 28s. Okay, these two. I'm gonna change the rear derailleur from a short cage to a long cage. Cassette, I think this is like 1128. We're gonna upgrade it to 1136. Okay, so these are his new tires. Okay, got the Victoria Randonnier Check 700 by 28C. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, so I just finished the upgrade to Ultegra rear derailleur, long cage, was it mid cage, and the 1136 tooth for easier climbing for Paul. Also we did the Victoria Randonnier Check. So it's supposed to be 700C by 28mm, but it only measures up to 26, which is smaller than the previous one, which was 26mm but measures to 27. But I guess it's like how you're gonna ride it. Because this one will definitely offer more traction. Okay, so maybe we'll ask Paul for his feedback on the next ride because he's kind of shy today. After fixing up Paul's bike, Paul went home. Then me and Ricky went out for a ride, short one. So we parted at the bridge. So now I'm heading back home, but yeah, might drop by the bike shop to get more chain wax because I think my chain's a bit dry, so it's making weird sound when I pedal backwards. That sound. So I guess I need to lubricate my chain tonight before I go for my other ride tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow's going to be a big ride. So if you enjoyed this video, click like, share, or subscribe so they can get a notification when I upload a new video. Catch you on the next ride.